Beef shanks are often thought to be tough and dry, but they don't have to be. It's time for Cooking with Walt, the cooking show that's unafraid to go where I've never gone before, yet bold enough to go where everyone has gone before. Today, I'm preparing smoked and braised beef shanks with a coffee tomato sauce. We interrupt your regularly scheduled video for this special announcement. While camera 1 worked perfectly, the SD card in camera 2 failed. That means you won't get to see my face or the placing of the food into and out of the smoker, but you will still see the preparation with a voiceover to guide you through it. We now return you to your regularly scheduled video. So let's get to it. Begin by seasoning the beef shanks with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Allow to marinate overnight in the refrigerator, preferably uncovered, which will help the pellicle develop. A pellicle is a tacky layer that forms on the meat as the water near the surface evaporates. It helps smoke adhere to the meat, which enhances the flavor. Place the beef shanks on a rack over a sheet pan to catch the juices. Before placing them in the smoker, pour about a cup of coffee into the pan. This will create some steam and provide a moist environment while smoking. The coffee should also help prevent the drippings from burning on the bottom of the pan. They will be used to make the sauce. Place the shanks into the smoker, which has been preheated to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 3 hours, the internal temperature of these shanks is about 243 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that they are done, but not yet tender. They need to continue cooking, but they will have absorbed a lot of good smoky flavor. Place them into a roasting pan where they will braise in the sauce to finish cooking. At this point, I also raise the temperature of my smoker up to about 350 degrees. It will continue to heat while we make the sauce. To make the braising liquid, which will become the sauce, pour the pan drippings into a saucepan. Add 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic, a quarter cup of brown sugar, or in my case, because I'm on the ketogenic diet, a brown sugar substitute made from erythritol. Next, add white wine or cider vinegar, about an ounce. This will give the sauce a slightly sour taste or tartness, which along with sweet and heat are the 3 basic flavor components for a good sauce. Next, I'll add a tablespoon or 2 of Worcestershire sauce. Don't worry too much about the amounts. I usually just eyeball it and adjust to taste along the way. Season with salt and pepper and add some hot sauce. Bring the sauce to a boil, then pour it over the beef shanks. Return the shanks to the smoker and smoke until the internal temperature hits at least 205 to 209 degrees Fahrenheit. At that point, they should be tender. It could take another 2 to 3 hours. Mine finished in about 2.5. Once they have reached the desired temperature, remove them from the smoker and allow them to rest, covered for about 30 minutes. Then they are ready to eat. If you want to see more of these videos, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.